Thank you, Himanshu sir and Jaimin sir.
Our next award will highlight the best acting performances for the year 2013-14.
Even a good script or marvelous stage setup or good decorations could be of no use without good acting.
But thankfully, this year's Creative Assembly had many wonderful performances.
So let us look at the nominations first.
अर्जुन। मैं कुंती पुत्र अर्जुन, सर्वश्रेष्ठ धनुर्धर। रणभूमि में मेरी गांडीव की प्रत्यंचा की टंकार से शत्रु भयभीत हो जाते हैं और मेरे बाण वायु की दिशा बदल देते हैं। बादल से पानी निकाल सकते हैं, भूमि से अग्नि प्रकट कर सकते हैं और युद्ध में शत्रु की छाती भेद कर निकल जाते हैं। हाँ, मैं वही द्रोणाचार्य शिष्य अर्जुन हूँ जिसको लक्ष्य भेद की कसौटी में लक्ष्य के अतिरिक्त कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई दिया। लेकिन आज मैं यहाँ आप सभी को बताने आया हूँ कि मेरे जीवन में मैंने जितने भी पराक्रम किए हैं वे सभी मेरी शक्ति से नहीं हुए। आज मेरी जो कीर्ति है वो मेरी नहीं है और मेरा जो सामर्थ्य है वो भी मेरा नहीं है। मेरी शक्ति, मेरी कीर्ति और मेरा सामर्थ्य वह सभी केवल और केवल वासुदेव कृष्ण के अधीन है। हाँ, मैं ही वो पार्थ हूँ जिसको वासुदेव कृष्ण जैसे सारथी का सौभाग्य मिला।
दुर्योधन तो मूर्ख था जो नारायणी सेना मांग बैठा। अर्जुन जैसे धार्मिक बनो, प्रतिदिन प्रार्थना में भगवान से भगवान मांग लो, क्योंकि अगर भगवान साथ है तो सब कुछ साथ है। यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धर तत्र श्री विजयो भूतिर्ध्रुव नीतिर्मतिर्मम। जहाँ धनुर्धरी अर्जुन के साथ योगेश्वर कृष्ण है वहाँ विजय निश्चित है। इस प्रकार जिसके साथ में संत है और अर्जुन की जैसे युद्ध करने की तैयारी है उसी की विजय निश्चित है। मांग लो भगवान को फिर रहा ना मांगने को बाकी। मांग लो भगवान को फिर रहा ना मांगने को बाकी। कर लो सच्चे संत को राजी, फिर जीत लो जीवन की हर बाजी।
अरे कुछ खास नहीं, बस यार ये सोच रहा था कि इस स्कूल में पिछले सप्ताह भर से जो ये विद्या विनयन चौपते इस थीम पर बहुत सारी बातें बताई जा रही है और उसमें भी विनय जिसको हमारे जीवन में अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण वैल्यू के रूप में बताया जा रहा है। क्या ये सब सही में होता है? बात ठीक है, नो डाउट, पर प्रश्न ये खड़ा होता है यहाँ कि क्या ये विनम्रता, विनयशीलता इस 21st सेंचुरी में सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए इतनी हेल्पफुल हो सकती है? अरे यार, आज तो जनक राजा की बेटी सीता का स्वयंवर है, वहाँ जाना है मुझे।
अरे विदूषक, हम भी तो वहीं जा रहे हैं।
नहीं नहीं, तुम घटना बताओ, हम जा रहे हैं।
अरे परंतु वहाँ तो केवल विद्वान और शूरवीर को ही आमंत्रण है।
तो हम क्या कोई शूरवीर से कम है क्या? अब ज्यादा देर ना कर रहा हूँ और हमें जाने दो।
अगर पिता की आज्ञा पालन करना ही धर्म है तो मैं 14 वर्ष वन में रहता हूँ, परंतु आप अयोध्या लौट चलो। भैया इस समय मुझे अनाचार, उचित अनुचित कुछ नहीं सूझ रहा है। मैं बस इतना जानता हूँ कि आप मेरे बड़े भैया हैं, वही बड़े भैया जो बचपन में जब मैं खेल में हार जाता था तो वो मेरे लिए झूठ बोलकर भी मुझे जीता देते थे। मेरी यही आशा है कि आज भी आप मेरे उसी भैया की तरह मुझे जीता देंगे। भैया मैं आपका वही छोटा भाई हूँ भैया।
पता नहीं मैं क्या करूं। कुछ कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। क्लास में कंसंट्रेशन तो मैं पहले से अच्छा रख लेता हूँ, स्टडीज में भी पहले से अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है, फिर भी पता नहीं कुछ कमी है। कॉन्सेप्ट मैं जानता हूँ, फिर भी अप्लाई नहीं कर पाता हूँ। प्रॉब्लम जानता हूँ किस टॉपिक से, पर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाता हूँ। हे प्रभु, हे स्वामी जी, मेरी सहाय करो।
उठो तुलसीदास, मैं तो आपके दर्शन करने आया हूँ। राम के दर्शन करना, राम का नाम रटन करना, इन सबसे अधिक सुख राम के भक्त के दर्शन करने में है। आज भाग्य तो मेरा खुला है, मुझे आप जैसे राम भक्त के दर्शन हुए। धन्य तो मैं हुआ हूँ आपके दर्शन करके। हे तुलसीदास, आप जैसे समझदार और भक्ति रस वाला भक्त शायद ही इस दुनिया में कोई हो। राम का महिमा गान करना, इसी में सुख की अनुभूति होती है। इसलिए मैं आपकी यह विनती स्वीकार कर आपकी सेवा की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
સાંભળો સૌ, જન્મ્યા છીએ ત્યારથી મનગમતું જ કર્યું છે, સૂવા માંડ્યું છે અને ખાવા માંડ્યું છે, પણ તેનો પાર આવે એમ નથી. માટે ભગવાન અને સંતની આજ્ઞા પાળવાનું તાન રાખવાનું, અને એમાં કોઈ યુક્તિ ના કરીએ તો એ બધા મનના વિચારો ધીમે ધીમે નીકળી જાય અને મન આપણને પજવવાને અસમર્થ થઈ જાય. માટે આજ્ઞા પાળવાનો દ્રઢ નિશ્ચય કરવો પડે, તો ભગવાન મદદરૂપ થાય અને રક્ષા કરે.
अद्भुत, अद्भुत! ये सिंहासन जिस किसी भी राजा का रहा होगा, अब मैं इस पर बैठकर उसी राजा की तरह न्याय करूंगा. हा 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 हा. लेकिन मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, जब तक मैं सिंहासन के पीछे छिपे रहस्य को जान नहीं लेता, तब तक मेरे मन को शांति नहीं मिलेगी. मेरी तुमसे यह विनती है कि सिंहासन के सत्य को उजागर कर मेरे मन में उठने वाले सवालों के सागर को शांत करो.
Atmeya bhai, if you had to choose the best actor, who would you choose?
Nishkam bhai. No, wait. Prince bhai. No, just a second. Pakka Naman bhai, pakka.
Thank God you're not the judge. Otherwise, we would have to give awards to all the nominated people.
Wow, what a great idea.
What idea?
Giving awards to everyone.
Are you crazy? We are just anchors. We cannot decide these things. Oh God, this is definitely the last time we are anchoring a show.
Can you please call Vijay sir and request him, please? You're good at physics. Maybe he will say yes.
No way. I'm not ready for a think sheet.
अरे भाई, पूछने में क्या जाता है?
Okay. Hello, Vijay sir? We have a request to make. Atmeya bhai says that we should give awards to everyone present here. Can we do that? What? No? But sir, Atmeya bhai says please. Oh, okay sir, are you sure? Okay, thank you. Wow, sir said yes, we can give awards to everyone.
देखा, टाटा स्काई वाले ऐसे ही ऐड नहीं बनाते. पूछने में क्या जाता है, वाह.
So then, without any further delay, let us call Paramrut sir to present the certificates to all of the nominated people. I would like to request the following students to come in the same order. Nishkam Bhai Patel from 4th B, Geet Gaurav Bhai Joshi from 6th A, Rishi Bhai Patel from 7th B, Prince Bhai Dhamelia from 8th B, Nihar Bhai Dudatra from 9th A, Naman Bhai Banka from 7th A, Yash Bhai Jariwala from 9th A, and Krushan Bhai Panchal from 9th B.
I would
Thank you Paramdu sir and Shidit sir, and congratulations to all the AVM actors. Atmiya Bhai, do you know anything about pi?
Oh, yes, I do.
Well, elaborating it would be way better.
Sure. The number pi is a mathematical constant, and it is approximately equal to 3.14 and so on. But I still don't get it. Why have you asked me this question in the middle of the ceremony?
As we had a competition on how many digits students could remember correctly of pi and write them down in a paper, there is also a special award for the winner.
So, to give away the award for the winner of the pi competition, I would like to call respected Vijay sir.
So I've been told the winner. Now this competition, as you all know, was about remembering how many digits are there in the number pi. Maximum number of digits you could remember. Now we have one boy, again most of you would know, he remembered 538 digits. 538 digits. Now, I have been a scientist for 17 years. I do not think I can remember more than 50 digits. This boy remembered 538 digits. It took him 2 weeks. Now, what I would like to share with you is that when you have passion, when you want to do something, you decided, તમે નક્કી કરી દો કે આ મારે કરવું છે. You have passion to do that. And then you put in hard work, you can achieve amazing things. So, take example of this person. He is one of you. He studies with you. Any guesses? So let me call Karan Bhai up on stage to receive this special award. Okay. Congratulations, Karan Bhai. And thank you on behalf of all AVM teachers for inspiring us teachers and students alike.
Thank you, Vijay sir. Smith Bhai, now it is time for another speech.
Yes, John Maxwell, a very famous author, said that a good leader is a person who takes a little more than his share of the blame and a little less than his share of the credit.
One such leader is our Shivam House captain, Dhaval Bhai. Let us invite Dhaval Bhai to speak on behalf of his house.
Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, dignitaries, teachers, and all my dear friends. Namaste and Jai Swaminarayan. I feel blessed that I got a chance to serve Shivam House, the house which is born to prosper. Firstly, I would like to appreciate the efforts of all students of all houses for competing fiercely, yet maintaining the core value of Atmiyata. Thank you all for being true Atmiyans. Now, I want to applaud all junior Shivam House students for their excellent competitive spirit in all the academic competitions. Second, I would like to thank Parambai, Shubhbai, Rohanbai, Deepbai, Manhilbai, Pawanbai, Sarvanamanbai, Aksaybai, Mananbai, Krutarbai, and many more students who have thrived with courage and sportsman spirit in sports and athletic meet. I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude to the students of Standard 9, Rohan Bhai, Dhruval Bhai, Uttam Bhai, who helped us to prepare wonderful softboard. Choice is yours. I would like to thank Vijay sir, Ashish sir, Swayam ma'am, and all the teachers to give us such wonderful values to reflect upon and imbibe in our life. I have no words to appreciate the hard work and planning of all the teachers working hand in hand and have shown tremendous amount of atmiyata. All the teachers have made sure that each and every student gets to participate and nurture their skills. The efforts of each and every teacher is sagacious. Please give a round of applause for all the teachers. Lastly, I am very thankful to the students and teachers of Shivam House for giving me the opportunity to serve the house. I feel very humble when I think about all the support, cooperation, and atmiyata shown by my classmates, the vice captain, prefects, students, and all the teachers. Thank you all for truly making this house prosper. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhaval Bhai, for your valuable thoughts.
Although AVM is predominantly an academic school, sports have always been a big part in our activities.
Certainly, inter-house sports competitions at AVM are big hit with the students and the teachers as it captures the imagination of the whole school.
Thanks to the relentless effort of our sports teachers at sports competitions have soared to new heights. It'll be exciting to know which house has won the magnificent trophy after 6 inter-house sports competitions. But before that, let us have a look at the nominations of this sports competition.
To announce the winners, let me call upon Pranav sir and Ishwar sir.
Okay, the best sport house of the year is Satyam House.
So, from Satyam House, I would like to call Kalpesh sir, Rekha ma'am, Chirag sir, Jil Patel, Raji Patel, Shi Patel, Mumukshu bhai, Anand bhai.
Louder!
More louder! Thank you, Pranav sir and Ishwar sir. And congratulations to Satyam House.
Now, let us turn our attention to the Best Academic House Award. This year, as a school, we adopted a new system on the basis of multiple intelligence. Instead of a traditional subject competitions, we had competitions based on different intelligences like visual, verbal, interpersonal, and logical.
The new format was exciting for the students as they were exposed to a variety of activities. Many hidden talents from the students surfaced out due to this intelligence-based competition.
So let us call Pratik sir and Hemant sir from Swastik to announce the winners for the Best Academic House Trophy for 2013-14.
Good evening, everybody. Jai Swaminarayan. And I would not like to waste the time and announce that it was my house in my house color when I was in school, and we used to have that slogan to inspire our house members that blue, blue, God bless you. It's Shivam, yes, it's Shivam House. Best academic house of the year, 13-14.
So, from Shivam House, I would like to call Sriji ma'am, Deepika ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, Preeti ma'am, Abhishek Bhai Patel from 9th standard, Jigar Bhai Italia from 6th standard, Niramai Bhai Patel from 4th standard, Manan Bhai Mehta from 5th standard, and Uttam Bhai Italia from 10th standard. Please give them a huge round of applause. Yeah.
Congratulations to Shivam House.
As they say, change is the only constant in life.
After a very impressive anchoring of the show so far from Atmiya Bhai and Smith Bhai, now it's our turn to take you all through to the rest of the event.
Now, it is the time to present the most significant individual award of the year.
Of course, we are talking about Student of the Year award.
As we know, this award is given to a student who has shown exemplary performance in different areas.
Not only in academics, but he must have excelled in sports and other co-curricular activities as well.
Above all, he must have demonstrated that he has upheld all the core values of the school without any compromise.
So let us call Suhani ma'am and Renuka ma'am to present the Student of the Year trophy for classes 3, 4 and 5.
Pleasure to announce the best student from grade 5, and his name is, any guesses? Harshil Patel. We are really sorry to announce that Harshil is not here with us today. He had to attend some social function. But I would like to share a few qualities about Harshil. I guess all the teachers would agree that Harshil is very responsible and a sincere boy. He is always very respectful to all his elders, teachers and didis. He is always helpful and atmiya with his follow mates, and he helps them to perform their homework even at late night sitting with him and completing their work. I would like to share one small incident, so I will hand over to Renuka ma'am. Today's incident itself, which we witnessed today, while he was going after school, how responsible he is for his homework, his academics, as well as sports. So, Renuka ma'am.
Namaste and Jai Samnarayan to one and all present here. Today's incident, Friday, yesterday, I had my English class in 5B, and it was my homework day. I had to allot them some homework today. So Harshil Bhai told, ma'am, I am not there tomorrow. I said, where are you going? Are you going to miss your class? No, ma'am, I won't be missing my class, but I'll be going in the afternoon by 4 o'clock. I said, okay, fine, then you won't miss your UT. Today was his unit test day. And I was happy that the child is going at 4 o'clock. I said, okay, fine, that's very good. Then he told, ma'am, tomorrow is your homework day. So if you allot some homework, I won't be able to do. I said, that's fine. You'll be back by Sunday. That's enough. Sunday afternoon, you're coming back. You can do your homework. This boy was so disturbed. Today's break time, after third period, there's a short break. He came to me. He stood very close to me and he's telling, ma'am, you have allotted some homework. And with your permission, can I take my book? I said, beta, you're going to attend some function. And Sunday, you're going to be back. You can do it. He said, no, ma'am. I'll get time throughout my journey in the car. I'll write my homework and complete it. I don't know, ma'am. Maybe Sunday I'll be late. So this is what Harshil is. And let me tell you, let me conclude. He is the gem of the class. He takes care of not only of himself, but even of other students. And Soumya ma'am has appointed him as the homework monitor. He sits late evening with the other boys to complete their homework. He waits with him. Even Kailash Didi tells him, Harshil bhai, you go and sleep, I'll sit with him. No ma'am, it's my responsibility, Didi. I have to sit and make sure that the child completes. He is really the gem, and may God, may Swami Dada bless him with many more good qualities. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Suhani ma'am and Renuka ma'am. And congratulations to Harshil bhai.
Let us move on to the next category, which is for classes 6 and 7.
To announce the winner, let me invite Gautam sir and Deepika ma'am.
મિત્રો, મારા મત મુજબ કરણભાઈમાં એ સર્વ ગુણ છે જે એક આદર્શ વિદ્યાર્થીમાં હોવા જોઈએ, જેમાંથી અમુક ગુણ જે આપણે સૌએ નોટિસ કર્યા છે, જેમ કે કરણભાઈ દરેક વડીલને આદરભાવ આપે છે અને તેમના કરેલા સજેશન્સને સકારાત્મક રીતે લે છે. કરણભાઈ ઘણા મહેનતી અને ધ્યેયલક્ષી છે. તેઓ રમતગમતમાં પણ ખૂબ સારું પરફોર્મન્સ બતાવે છે. તેઓના હાઉસ માસ્ટરનું પણ કહેવું છે કે હોસ્ટેલમાં પણ કરણભાઈની વર્તણૂક ખૂબ સારી છે. તો આજના કરણભાઈના આ મહત્વપૂર્ણ દિવસે સ્વામીજીના ચરણોમાં એક જ પ્રાર્થના છે કે તેમનામાં રહેલા ગુણ જીવનભર રહે અને જીવનમાં ઉત્તરોત્તર સફળતાના શિખરો સર કરે અને આપણામાં પણ તેઓમાં રહેલા ગુણ આપણા સૌમાં પણ આવે. ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન કરણભાઈ.
Thank you, Gautam sir and Deepika ma'am, and congratulations to Karan bhai.
The next category is of classes 8, 9 and 10.
Before we continue, I must thank you, Vinamra bhai.
For what?
For accepting this anchoring seva, so that at least somebody else will get the award this time.
चल अभी इतने भी मस्के मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. I will give you my SS notes. Can we please move on now?
Sure. Let us call respected Swayam ma'am and respected Rekha ma'am to announce the winners for the category 8, 9 and 10.
Namaste and Jai Swaminarayan. Param Pujya Swamiji often says that speak less, work more. Let's your result speaks for you. Harsh Bhai Gondalia. He believes in this. So Harsh Bhai Gondalia from 10th A.
Thank you, Swayam ma'am and Rekha ma'am, and congratulations to Harsh bhai. Let us move on.
The great leader Napoleon once said that a leader is a dealer in hope. We have a leader who is eternally optimistic and enthusiastic. He is a true team player and has led his house with unbeatable spirit throughout the year.
So dear friends, to share his views and experiences as a Sundaram House captain, let us call Arpit bhai.
My heartily Jai Swaminarayan to Honorable Principal, Vice Principals, dignitaries, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I, Arpit Trapasya of Sundaram House, have got the privilege to express my gratitude to all the teachers and my friends who worked wholeheartedly throughout the year for their contribution to make all the events of the house very effective. First of all, I would like to thank Param Pujya Swamiji for his never-ending grace and vision to build this school and provide us such a conducive environment and gifted us our role model. They are our respected principals, sir, and vice principals. So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to them and the administrative staff for the kind cooperation on behalf of Sundaram House. As per the slogan of Sundaram House, United Hearts and Unbeatable Spirits, we believe that the sum of the team is greater than its sum of its parts, which was proved by all the members throughout the year. Now I would like to express my gratitude to all the students of Sundaram House. They have shown unbeatable spirits throughout the year in all the facets of students' life. Somebody has rightly said that every bit counts. It has been proved by the tiny tots of the house. They did a marvelous performance during the regular daily assemblies. It was just because of their practice and hard work. Exposure to speak on mic has increased their confidence level, which helped them to improve in academics as well. Wisdom window of our school, that is softboard presentation, gives us valuable messages. And students work hard to make it more creative and effective. This year, the team of 5 students, Smith Bhai of grade 8, Rutvik Bhai and Nishak Bhai of grade 7, Srimad Bhai and Ayush Bhai of grade 6, did a wonderful job by exhibiting the prominence of reading within a very short time under the supervision of teachers. I would also like to show my appreciation to other students for outspreading their contribution in the display of board work. As we all know that creative assembly is the most anticipated one, and to contribute in it is always the dominant fascination for students, since it gives a lot of opportunities with full of entertainment and challenges. Here I would like to narrate an incident. During the dialogue recording sessions of the Creative Assembly on Mahabharat, Git Gaurav Bhai of 6th standard was given 40% of the dialogues of the whole script. He was calm and composed and was in a deep thought. When teachers inquired about him what he was thinking so deeply, he told sir that, "Sir, I am thinking about how to score above 90% marks." Everyone present there was amazed by his reply. how focused he was even when he is engrossed in co-curricular activities. Thank you, Git Gaurav Bhai, for inspiring us to be focused on our goals no matter what the situation is. I would also like to thank Harshil Bhai, Shaunak Bhai, Tanmay Bhai, Manav Bhai, and Mayank Bhai for their contribution in athletic meet. And I would also like to thank Sumit Bhai, Dhaval Bhai, and Harsh Bhai for their constant appreciation. Let me not forget my beloved teachers who gave us exposure for participating in various house activities. Our guidance and wholehearted support helped us to bloom our personality. Where we stand today is the combination of all your endeavors and efforts, and we know that we can go forth with renewed confidence that you will all be able to celebrate our victories and question our faults. Without receiving any credit or fame out of public view, there are so many more people who have supported us along the way. We should thank the people who are behind the scenes of our success. So I take this opportunity to thank I take this opportunity to thank them who cooperated us to make our event grand and successful. I am thankful to Swamiji for keeping me in the company of good friends. Last but not the least, I wholeheartedly express my gratitude to Satyam House, Shivam House, and Suradam House on behalf of Sundaram House for being the competitive partners. The praise of enthusiasm and zeal that is expressed within the students wholeheartedly goes to all the houses. Let me conclude with a quote. When we express our gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not to simply utter a word, but to live with them. Thank you and cheers to all.
Thank you, Arpit Bhai, for sharing your views.
Depiction of values through softboard display is another one of our rich traditions at AVM.
Softboard display requires selection of a worthy theme, thorough research on the topic, collection of information, sorting of information, and projection of a clear message.
Adding to that, the creativity of the students and the teachers in displaying it, it makes softboard display one of the very important instruments to deliver value-based information to the students.
This year also, we saw a variety of themes for softboard display, with values depicted significantly with amazing creativity by various houses. Let us watch a video to look at those amazing softwares. Can we have the video, please?
So, to know which house has won the award for the best software display, let us call respected Ashish sir and respected RK Singh sir to make this announcement.
Good evening, everyone. And the best softboard of the year award goes to
Suhradam House. So this one goes to Suhradam House.
Suhradam House.
On behalf of Suradam House, I would like to call Lopa ma'am, Vaishali ma'am, Samipya ma'am and Archana ma'am with Rahul Bhai Patel from 8th B, Nilay Bhai Patel from 7th A, Shiv Bhai Patel from 7th B and Mithul Bhai Patel from 11th Commerce. Let's have a big round of applause for Suradam House.
Thank you, Ashish sir and R.K. Singh sir. Many congratulations to Suradam House for winning the Best Software Display Trophy. Moving on with the program now.
Nelson Mandela once defined a leader as someone who can lead from the back and let others believe that they are in the front. One such leader is Harshbhai Gondalia, the captain of Suradam House.
His actions have always been stronger than his words. So it is a pleasure to invite Harshbhai to come on the stage and share his experiences of the year.
Namaste and Jai Swaminarayan to one and all present here. I have been fortunate enough to get this invaluable opportunity to lead a house which is endowed with outstanding faculties and really extraordinarily talented students. So, it would be my immense pleasure to share with you the contributions of these talents to the house. I would like to start with the softboard decoration. Our house had a very good softboard decoration team led by Rahul Bhai, Vinamra Bhai and Mitul Bhai, and it was supervised by Lopa ma'am and Samipya ma'am. I really bow down to the tremendous work ethic, the dedication to the house and the tireless efforts to give to the school and very inspiring and eye-catching softboard titled as Legends Never Retire. Suradam House is very proud to have such a dedicated softboard team. When I talk about creative assemblies, I couldn't help myself recalling the exemplary performances by Anirudh Bhai, Nishkam Bhai, Devang Bhai, Niramay Bhai and Sahil Bhai. Moreover, it were the combined efforts by teachers as well as students which made creative assemblies no less than the festivals. Above all, Suradam House expresses its gratitude to our dearest Suradam sir for his selfless contributions to make creative assemblies the best. Suradam House is also very thankful to Amit Bhai Chaudhary, Rajveer Bhai, Rahul Bhai, Darshan Bhai, Srimad Bhai Sanghani and for their immeasurable contributions in the sports meet as well as in the academic sports competitions. Above all, I thank each and every member of the house for showing great enthusiasm in all the house activities and contributing to the house with utmost dedication and sincerity. Our house had multifarious talents, but I could rightly say that each and every member has lived up to the theme of our house, which is where diversity is a celebration. So at last, I thank everyone who kept complete faith in me and gave me this golden opportunity to gain this wonderful experience of being the captain of a very unique house of really an unparalleled school on the globe. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harshbhai, for sharing your experiences.
The world is full of different opinions. It is very easy to get into an argument with someone who has a different opinion than us. But thanks to the very successful initiative taken up by the English department of running the debating club, which has emphasized on the importance of debating over an issue rather than arguing.
Throughout the year, students from different age groups have taken part in wide-ranging debates on critical issues like impact of television, social media, secularism, and FDI.
Many students participated in these debates with enthusiasm and showed their maturity while debating on such critical topics.
Let us first look at some of the highlights of the activity conducted by the debating club. But in the end, only one house can win the crown of the best debating house of the year. And to present that, let me call upon Prajwal sir on the stage.
The Best Debating House of the Year award goes to
Shivam House.
On behalf of Shivam House, I would like to call Paramrut sir, Mrugesh sir, Prabhu Darshan sir, Dhaval Jariwala from 10th standard, Nihar Bhai from 9th standard, Laksh Bhai from 6th standard, Bhavya Oza from 8th standard. Thank you Prajwal sir and Chirag sir, and many congratulations to Shivam House for winning the trophy. Throughout the year, there was always this one event that made Saturdays very, very special.
Yes, we are talking about creative assemblies.
We are also fortunate that values are at the heart of all activities in our school, and creative assemblies have always been a very effective instrument for students to understand and practice the values better.
All the sections of the AVM family work extremely hard for these assemblies.
Creative assemblies are a combination of meticulous planning, uncompromising hard work, mind-blowing creativity, fabulous performances, and exceptional teamwork.
That makes it even harder to decide which house will win the coveted trophy for the best creative assembly. So let us have a look at the nominations first.
આપણા સૌના વાલા પરમ પૂજ્ય સ્વામીશ્રી પોતાની પરાવાણીમાં હંમેશા કહે છે, અત્યાર સુધીના જે પ્રત્યેક અવતાર પુરુષોએ પોતાના પ્રાગટ્ય માટે ભારતની ધરતી પસંદ કરી છે. આ ધરતીના ખૂબ પુણ્ય છે. શા માટે ભગવાન અહીં જ પ્રગટે છે? પૂર્ણ પુરુષોત્તમ ભગવાન સ્વામિનારાયણ પોતાનો પ્રાગટ્યનો હેતુ સ્પષ્ટ કરતા કહે છે, પોતાના જે પ્રેમી ભક્ત તેના મનોરથ પૂરા કરવા માટે જ અમે પ્રગટ થઈએ છીએ. બાળપણમાં સહજાનંદ પ્રભુનું લાડકું નામ ઘનશ્યામ હતું. બાળપણથી જ તેઓ હરેક ક્રિયામાં મિત્રોને અને ભક્તોને લાડ લડાવતા ને સુખ લૂંટાવતા જ નજરે ચડે છે. બાળ મિત્રો, છેલ્લા સપ્તાહથી આપણે ઘનશ્યામ પ્રભુના જુદા જુદા ચરિત્રોનું શ્રવણ કર્યું, પણ આજે તો આપણે પ્રત્યક્ષ ઘનશ્યામ પ્રભુના દર્શન થવાના છે. તો ચાલો થોડી વાર માટે બુદ્ધિને વિરામ આપીએ, હૃદયને ભક્તિભાવથી ભરી દઈએ અને મહિમાથી ઘનશ્યામ પ્રભુના ચરિત્રોમાં વિહાર કરીએ.
સ્મરણભાઈ, આપણે પણ વીરાની જેમ મન સાથે લડાઈ કરવી પડે અને ધિક્કારવું પડે, અને મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ મમ્મી પપ્પા, ટીચર્સ અને સંતની આજ્ઞા પ્રમાણે નિરંતર વર્તવું પડે. જો મોટા કહે એમ વર્તવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીએ તો આ લુચ્ચું, નાલાયક, લબાડ મન સીધું થઈ જાય. માટે આપણે નક્કી કરી નાખવું પડે કે હું મારા મનને સાથ નહીં જ આપું.
તો ઠીક છે, હું પણ આજથી અબઘડીથી મારું મન કહેશે એમ ક્યારેય નહીં કરું.
અરે, આભાર તો આપણે ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામીનો માનવો પડે. એમણે આપણા જીવનમાં આવનારી બધી મુશ્કેલીઓને દૂર કરવાનો ઉપાય તેમની વાતો દ્વારા સમજાવ્યો છે. તો ચાલો આપણે એ સ્વામીની વાતને ફરી યાદ કરીએ. સ્વામિનારાયણ હરે સ્વામીએ વાત કરી છે, કેટલાકને મન રમાડે અને કેટલાક મનને રમાડે છે.
दुर्योधन जैसी गलती मत करना. दुर्योधन तो मूर्ख था जो नारायणी सेना मांग बैठा. अर्जुन जैसे धार्मिक बनो. प्रतिदिन प्रार्थना में भगवान से भगवान मांग लो, क्योंकि अगर भगवान साथ है तो सब कुछ साथ है. जहाँ धनुर्धरी अर्जुन के साथ योगेश्वर कृष्ण है, वहाँ विजय निश्चित है. इस प्रकार जिसके साथ में संत है और अर्जुन की जैसे युद्ध करने की तैयारी है, उसी की विजय निश्चित है। मांग लो भगवान को, फिर रहा ना मांगने को बाकी। मांग लो भगवान को, फिर रहा ना मांगने को बाकी। कर लो सच्चे संत को राजी, फिर जीत लो जीवन की हर बाजी।
मेहनत और परिश्रम से कोई भी विद्या प्राप्त हो सकती है। मेहनत मतलब परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस।
हाँ पिताजी, मैं केवल प्रार्थना और क्लास में कंसंट्रेशन पर ही निर्भर था, परंतु हार्डवर्क भी उतना ही जरूरी है। वो बात तो मैं भूल ही गया था। हाउ कैन आई कम्प्लीटली मिस दिस? सर ने भी मुझे कितनी बार बताया है, प्रैक्टिस डबल नहीं तो ट्रबल। और स्वामी श्री भी हर बार यही बात याद करवाते हैं, रोज नु देऊ रोज चुकी देऊ, डू योर रिविजन डेली। इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट बात मैं कैसे भूल गया? मैं भी ना एकदम बुद्धू हूँ।
Today, we also have a special guest present, respected Sita Lakshmi ma'am. She is the HOD of the chemistry department at SR International School. So, I would like to invite respected Swayam ma'am along with respected Sita Lakshmi ma'am to reveal the winners for the best creative assembly.
This award goes to Shivam House.
On behalf of Shivam House, I would like to Shiji Chintan ma'am, Deepika ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, along with Prince Bhai, Darshan Bhai, Rishi Bhai, Shri Bhai and Sarvanaman Bhai.
Let's have a big round of applause for Shivam House.
Thank you, respected Swayam ma'am and respected Sita Lakshmi ma'am, and congratulations to Shivam House.
Let's take this program further.
Members of the school student council, especially the captains, the vice captains, sport captain, vice head boy and head boy have been instrumental in carrying out various activities throughout the year.
They have represented their respective houses and our school admirably and deserve appreciation.
To applaud their efforts, I would like to invite our respected principal sir to come forward and present these members of the student council with certificates.
I request the student council members to come in the following order. Starting with the vice captains, Jagrat Bhai Gada, vice captain of Satyam House, Savanaman Bhai Patel, vice captain of Shivam House, Nimit Bhai Patel, the vice captain of Sundaram House, and Rahul Bhai Patel, the vice captain of Suradham House. Moving on to the captains, Sumit Bhai Chaudhary, the captain of Satyam House, Dhawal Bhai Jariwala, the captain of Shivam House, Arpit Bhai Trapasya, the captain of Sundaram House, and Harsh Bhai Gondalia, the captain of Suradham House. Along with them, also, the sports captain of our school, Nirmal Bhai Patel, and the head boy, Sachin Bhai Waldekar.
After all these awards and certificates, we are heading towards the finale of this event. Very soon, we will get to know who is the big winner.
And the winner of the best house of the year 2013-14.
Arey, Yathansh bhai. Patience. I know you still have to do your biology homework, and Monday is your deadline. But we have one more important thing to do before we announce the big winners.
Really? What?
After such a fantastic year, and significant contribution from everyone. Don't you think that on behalf of all the students and on behalf of all the members of Student Council, someone should express our gratitude?
Oh, you are right. I know exactly who to call for that.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, Vinamra bhai. Don't worry. I have got this one.
Go ahead then.
We are very fortunate to have a leader who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. He is a role model for all of us. He is not only well respected by the students, but also by the teachers. Let us call our head boy, Sachin bhai, to come forward and deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of all of us.
Namaste and Jai Swaminarayan to one and all present here. The year 2013-14 has been remarkable for all of us and a very significant year in the brief history of our school. Significant not because some of us have become the members of Student Council or the number of activities that we have done so far, or not because we are ranked first in Gujarat and 16th in India, but because the year 2013-14 marks the 10th anniversary of our school. I cannot think of any other way to start this vote of thanks but to by thanking Param Pujya Swamiji for building Atmiya Vidya Mandir for all of us. We all are fortunate that we got to be the part of Param Pujya Swami Shri's vision and his dream and becoming a student of Atmiya Vidya Mandir. The ultimate message of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is that we have to become an instrument like Arjun so that God can work through us. At Atmiya Vidya Mandir, all the staff members are pursuing the same goal. Today, I would like to thank all those Nimit Bulkus who have been working very hard to fulfill Swami Shri's vision. I would like to start by thanking all the housemasters and didis. On the behalf of all the students today, I confess that our behavior is not up to the mark all the times, and we have made their life difficult sometimes. But they have shown great patience and faith in us. Under the guidance of Ishwar sir and Pranav sir, they have been our biggest support system. Starting from the most difficult task of waking us up in the morning and making sure we reach the class at time, to putting us to bed, they are with us virtually throughout the day. Thanks to such a great team of untiring people. In a residential school like ours, sports forms a very integral part of our routine, as it presents us opportunities both to relax and push ourselves further while having fun. Major sporting events like annual athletic meet and inter-house sports competitions are the events we all look forward to and enjoy thoroughly. And today, I want to thank all the sports teachers and want to tell them that we are grateful for all the hard work that you have put in to organize such mega events, and we really appreciate your efforts. So thank you very much. Studying is often not something which comes naturally to young minds. That makes the task of the academic teachers unbelievably challenging. But these teachers are not the ones who would shy away from this challenge. Throughout the year, we have witnessed that the teachers have been driving us to our academic goal, which is given by Swamiji as minimum of 70%. Their continuous efforts and positive attitude is one of the main reasons why our 12th standard students achieve such a high result. I would also like to mention the efforts of respected Prajwal sir and Somya ma'am, who patiently and tirelessly coordinate our academic activities throughout the year. Today, I bow down to all the teachers from the heart and would like to express that no amount of gratitude is enough for your efforts. I would also like to wish best of luck to the 12th standard students who will be appearing for their board exam shortly. How can I forget to thank the people who do an incredible job which we take for granted? Feeding about 540 students on time for 5 times a day, every day, is not by any means a simple task. But they do it day in, day out without much of our appreciation. I would like to thank Pujya Arjun Mama, Divyesh sir, Rajesh bhai and all the members of kitchen department and hospitality staff. Moving on, the campus of Atmiya Vidya Mandir is full of beautiful greenery. We do not have to go out of the campus to learn about biodiversity, as we have so many different kinds of plants, including various flowering plants which add to the aesthetic beauty. An exceeding number of neem trees not only keep providing us fresh air with plenty of oxygen, but also some beautiful music of chirping of a variety of birds. But it wouldn't be like that without the constant hard work and devotional efforts from Pujya Mahendra Bapa and Pujya Vallabh Mama. I am sure many more people are involved in maintaining this huge campus, and I thank all of them. An academic year at AVM is full of cultural activities and events like the one we are witnessing right now. Of course, all the teachers, didis, housemasters, and the rest of the staff contribute to it. But without the creativity of Suradam sir, Jaimin sir, Himanshu sir, and Manish sir, these celebrations wouldn't be the same. So, I thank them for constantly reinventing these celebrations for us. Furthermore, I must also thank all those that are the backbones of such tasks. Pujit Bhai, Sarwajit sir, Rakesh Bhai, Hiren Bhai, and Samarthya ma'am and her team. Without their dedication, any of this wouldn't be possible. I must also congratulate and thank Rakesh Bhai and Paramrut sir for keeping our school blog alive, as well as Pujit Bhai and Sarwajit sir for maintaining our school's YouTube channel to regularly convey to our parents about all our experiences here. Communication with any external organization, including the CBSE, and to arrange for logistics for our use on a daily basis are fairly challenging tasks. But under the able leadership of respected Haresh sir, the efforts of the entire admin staff makes our life so much comfortable. In such a difficult economy, running an uncompromising organization like us with such demands cannot be easy. But our admin team does it so efficiently amid the financial constraints, for which I really thank Haresh sir and the rest of the admin team. Now, I would like to thank the guide of the student council, a cool and calm person, a great leader, and a magnanimous personality. He is none other than Tarun sir. Thank you, Tarun sir, for guiding the student council throughout and helping to organize such events throughout the year. Today, we have heard a few thoughts on leadership from our anchors. I just want to add one more thing. The success of any organization depends on the value systems and the decisiveness of its leadership. We are very fortunate that Param Pujya Swami Shri has chosen respected Swayam ma'am, respected Ashish sir, and respected Vijay sir as our leaders. Three of them have demonstrated their undying desire to impart in us the knowledge and values that Param Pujya Swami Shri wishes. No language is rich enough to express our gratitude to these wonderful and selfless people. But in the end, I would like to conclude my vote of thanks by praying, Hey Swamiji, it is not possible to fully comprehend the impact that you are making on us through this school. But give us the strength that we keep trying to follow your agnas given by you and our elders. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Sachin Bhai, for expressing gratitude on behalf of all of us.
We have almost reached that moment of announcing the winners. Now I request Vijay sir and Haresh sir for announcing the runner-ups.
Good evening, students. We are summarizing our entire year in this event. We know that, that's why we call it Saransh. It is the summary of the entire year's activity in the school. And you've witnessed, since we have a house structure, you have witnessed various houses performing best in different activities. We have seen a series of awards given out for best houses in different categories. Now we are going to announce the runners-up for the best house. The runners-up for the best house of the year for 2013 and 14. Now remember, the best house and the runners-up, these are calculated based on all the activities together. every activity you add them up together and you reach the best house. Okay? So we are going to announce the runners-up house for 2013-14.
Is Shivam House.
So congratulations to Shivam House. They've done an amazing performance. You've seen 3 trophies already with Shivam House, and they are the runner-up house of 2013-14. Now we are going to decide the house of the year. This is what the whole event is for. The best academic house. Who was the best academic house? Shivam. Who won the best creative assembly? Okay. Who won the best softboard? Who won the best sports? Who won the annual athletic meet? So we see a well-represented crowd, all houses winning something. But now the house which has won it all. We are going to announce the best house of the year, 2013 and 14.
Is Sundaram House.
On behalf of Sundaram House, I would like to request all Sundaram House teachers to come forward. Along with them, Arpit Bhai Trapasya, the captain, Nimit Bhai Patel, the vice captain, Nirman Bhai Patel, 3rd A, Nisarg Bhai Patel, 7th B, Deep Bhai Patel, 8th A, Krushan Bhai Panchal, 9th B, Mayank Bhai Watwani, 11th Science, and Harshal Bhai Soni, 11th Commerce.